looking for a safe weed killer to use around your pets and then your kids, you're definitely gonna wanna check this out by Eco Living Solutions. So this was sent to me so I could review it for you guys. And this works on everything from all kinds of weeds, from like dandelion to chickweed, thistle, clover, dollarweed, general weeds and grasses. So it's really great too. I'll show you in a minute using it, but when it comes up in between the rocks or in the cracks in the driveway, and this is a ready to use weed killer. So you don't need to, it's not a concentrate, you don't need to bother adding water or anything to it. This is all ready to go. So what I did was I just put this in, we have these little sprayers, and it makes it really easy and lightweight just to carry it around, which makes me use it more when it's convenient. And let's put it to use. What's really nice is there are only 3 ingredients in here. So it's sodium chloride, water, and vinegar. So it's that acetic acid and vinegar combined with a sodium chloride that makes it so effective. And it's just very easy to get in there and use. You just want to make sure not to use this if it's going to rain. But other than that, just super easy, safe way to keep those weeds under control.